Did your refrigerator not fit into your fridge space because it's too big or small? The new LG Slim French door refrigerator can fit perfectly into your built-in fridge space. LED light makes your eyes comfortable than before. Flat back design without unnecessary attachments makes inside clear and spacious. And metal interior decoration add more premium look. Square pocket handles gives easy grip and completes minimal design. Premium dispenser design enhances the elegance of your refrigerator. Experience the compact yet premium design of LG's new Slim French door refrigerator.